The radar module can be connected to MoreSense exclusive test tool or USB to TLL tool for UART setting parameter. High performance 24 GHz radar IC. Antenna area. Hard on the testing tool. Click and open the MoreSense 24 GHz FMCW tool. Let's start the parameter setting. Step 1. Choose the right column of the setting tool and baud rate. It is 115,200 as default if there is no special requirement. Click Closed, and it switches the opened. Step 2. Read the software version. All successful or unsuccessful operations are shown in information. Step 3. Read the firmware info. Step 4. Read the chip UUID. It is the exclusive identifier of each module. Step 5. Read the move detect on off. 0 means the movement detection is off. 1 inch means the movement detection is on. Step 6. Read the move detect range. You could read and set movement distance range parameter as what your product needed. Step 7. Read the BRTH detect on off. 0 means the breath detection is off. 1 means the breath detection is on. Step 8. Read the BRTH detect range. You could read and set the breath distance range parameter as what your product needed. The movement and breath distance can be set separately. Step 9. Read the out mode. 0 is normal sensing mode from 0% to 100%. 1 is PWM dimming module from XX% brightness to 100% brightness. Firstly, the sample has PWM enabled as your requirement. Step 10. Read the out dial reverse. 0 when detected objects. 8 outputs high level. 1 when detected objects. 8 outputs low level. Step 11. Read the out PWM frec. You could read and set the PWM frequency parameter as what your product needed. Step 12. Read the out on duty. It is PWM dimming brightness when some object is detected within the set sensing distance range. You could read and set the out on duty parameter as what your product needed. Step 13. Read the out off duty. It is PWM dimming brightness when no object is detected within the set sensing distance range. You could read and set the out on duty parameter as what your product needed. Step 14. Read the self-check. When the module powered on, it will have a self-check time firstly, and then start normal working status. You could set the self-check time as what your products needed. Step 15. Read the light on time. It is the delay. Light on time after the radar is triggered. You could set as what your product needed. Step 16. Read the protect time. It is the time of radar module non-working status after light off. You could set as what your product needed. Step 17. Read the LS threshold. It is the light sensor data. You could set as what your product needed. Step 18. Read the out one shot. 0 is light on time delayed mode. When the object is sensed and still in the sensing distance area and the radar detects it again, the light on time will be recounted into a new cycle. Then the light will be off until the object is leaving the sensing distance area and set light on time is ended. 1 is light on time no delayed mode. Step 19. Read the UART report. It can read and set the speed in milliseconds at which the serial port reports the sensing status. Step 20. Read the baud rate. It is the baud rate data. You could set as what your product needed. Step 21. Read the sense state. It can read the motion and breath status, distance and intensity in real time. Last step. Remember to click Save Config to save your operation about MoreSense radar module. Motion detection. The light is on when an object walks into the set motion sensing distance range, and the radar is triggered to output sensing signal. Occupancy detection. Detect micromotion chest expansion. The light is keeping on when the object is still in the set breath sensing distance range. When the object left the sensing distance range, the light is off after passing the set light on time.